At Lusid Technologies, we are dedicated to supplying state-of-the-art, cost-competitive, high-quality coatings and toners for the automotive refinish marketplace. We have been in business since 1999 and are dedicated to making sure that every product meets today's ever-growing standards and beyond. Our North Star product lines are made with high-quality, industry-tested, tried-and-true research in our development laboratory by our highly skilled technicians, making sure every product meets our highest of standards. Along with our sales team, who is dedicated to meet our customers' needs, our continuing sales growth fuels our mission and is a true testament to its success. Lucid's 90,000 square foot state-of-the-art production plant is located on 26 acres in Salt Lake City, Utah. Our facility allows Lucid's continued growth while manufacturing all of its product lines and storage of an extensive inventory. A full-line manufacturer of color and components, Lucid is a competitive leader in the marketplace. The end result is better margins for our jobbers, while ensuring highly competitive pricing for the end user. Additionally, through our partnership with General Paint, we supply to over 77 countries across the globe. Our team has more than 200 years of combined lab and field experience, which allows Lucid products to be custom manufactured for end-use applications. Unlike our competitors, we tailor our products for special applications, increasing customer satisfaction and productivity. We support our customers by providing easy and quick access to user and product information and documents to help ensure you get the most out of Lusid Technologies products and software.